All right, who are you?
I'm Mingma Sherpa.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm from Nepal.
What are we doing?
We are going to skydiving.
Yeah.
Skydiving.
Skydiving,
Yeah.
skydriving, something like that. You ready for this?
Yes.
Yeah? Was this your idea?
Yeah.
You scared?
Little bit.
Good, you should be. You're stuck with me. High five right here. Let's go rock and skydive and have some fun. Here we go. Woo! Woo! Guys ready for this? Get in, get up, and get out. Yeah, we're having fun. Oh my God. Woo! Here we go. High five. High down, look at the camera. Oh! Pull the left one down. Pull it down. Yeah, pull it down. Look at the camera.
Whoa! Whoa!
You okay?
Wow! Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Want to go again?
No, that's enough.
All right, we made it back. What do you think?
Yeah, I did really good. Yeah, thank you so much.
You did awesome.
Yeah.
High five.
Thank you so much.
Next time I'll let you open the parachute.
Sure, yeah.
Yeah.
I'll try.
Great job.
Yeah.
Woo. Woo. Skydive Colorado Springs.